Hey guys, welcome back. Today, actually just heading back from a family thing, but if all worked out well, there should be a new car to work on in the driveway before I even get back. Our friend Terry got an automatic diesel Jetta to take the injection pump off of. And it turns out that this car is in pretty good shape, so we might actually just swap the transmission, rebuild the engine, and he might drive that. If that's the case, I might take his old car, the Jetta he's driving now, which doesn't have a sunroof, which is why he wants the other one, and I might build that with the engine out of the Murder Beetle that's been sitting in my driveway for months. And then I'll get rid of that shell and go from there. So that's the plan. And when I get home, we're gonna see if that car's there. And if it is, we'll take a look over it together. But welcome back. Okay, here we go. I'm turning the corner. Literally, we're gonna look at together. Oh, there it is. Back right up. Gotta love car deliveries when you ain't even home. Well, let's go take a look. Well, you know, key fob works. Trunk doesn't pop though. Nope. Yep. Trunk doesn't pop. Door doesn't unlock. Okay. Wow, this trunk sucks. Can't get in the trunk. Might not want to get in there anyway. Not at the moment. Seems pretty clean though. Let's go look at the best part. The only part that really matters. Marine battery, that's not bad. Bought the car for this. Looks like the EGR is quite clogged. Typical neglected. TDI. Whatever. Not a bad $500 purchase, man. Not a bad one. So we're going to take that apart, take Terry's other Jetta apart, and make something good. Let's hope. Check the air filter. Not only is it sucked in from overuse, it's just worn out. Looks kind of clean, right? I mean, it's dirty, but yeah. That's dirty. Okay, so thought one would be to take this engine, this transmission out, take Terry's transmission and engine, put it in with this injection pump. Good to go for now. Rebuild this later. As you can see, I got the grill out, battery stuff out. I've actually removed the inner filter. I'm going to disconnect probably over here and remove the whole thing in one shot, get it out of there. Gonna take the boost lines off. Probably not touch the fuel system for now, because I'm gonna look into it and see if we're leaving it in this car. Because if I leave it in this car, I might just try to put it off to the side, take the hard lines off, keep the soft lines on, but take the whole unit and move it off to the side, put the other engine in, hook the pump up, hook the transmission up, and go from there. Not sure if that's the route we're going yet, so I'm going to wait. That's why I'm waiting. So, but I definitely want to see in there, see how clogged up that is, see how dirty that trigger happy mother trucker is, and yeah, that's about it for now. And there you go, battery tray's out now, giving you access to all the grounds under here. Can unclip that to give you a little bit more room if you want, but basically you have lots of room now. If you need to get at something, it's usually the only two things you need to take out is your battery and tray and your box. I'm including the battery with the tray, so yeah, just a little tip as we continue. Went through this and I tried to pull out that plastic bag right there, and if you look, it's snagged, and I'm like, whoa, what's wrong with that? And what it is, if you look from the master cylinder, it broke and they pinched it, and then from the regular line they pinched it and sealed it with a fucking plastic bag. So this car only has brakes on 3 wheels. Hey guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I got a little bit done. I got battery and tray taken out, the air box and tube, got the front grille taken off, some boost lines. I also got the trunk open, which I literally had to crawl through. And if you look, right, where is it? Right here, the arm is broken. So when you trigger the trunk, this arm moves over, and it's supposed to move an arm to move that. You can see how it comes out, right? Well, the end of that's broken off. So nothing to push, therefore no trunk action. And because the keyhole is like most and so corroded you can't fit a key in, I can't use the key either. So the only way to open this trunk is to crawl through at the moment. But I will fix that. As well, I noticed that this car does not have a spare tire, but I don't care. That's not even a worry. So I think that's where I'm going to leave this video for today. And I'm going to pick it back up tomorrow. May or may not make 2 separate videos. I'm still not sure. It depends on how tired I am tonight. You'll find out. Still don't have a title for this, so. So it's like 1 a.m. Couldn't sleep, so I came out here. Got the front end off. Not bad for not even half a day yet, really. It's been here for about 5 hours. Hey guys, so I've just kind of been taking my time. Haven't really done much. I took off the hood, you know, just did a couple small things at the moment. I'm gonna head back at it, don't get me wrong, but just taking my time. I want to do things right. Draining the rad now. Very easy. It's a little, hang on, I'll show you. See this thing right here? It's like a knob. So you twist it, you pull, and that's how you drain your rad. Volkswagen was kind of thinking on that one, huh? So, removed a few bolts. Whole front end's off the car now. On purpose, obviously. Next up, I don't even know. Just so you know, disconnected all the coolant lines and condenser lines. Disconnected the rad fans, coolant temp sensor. Oh, and the hood latch. Then it's as simple as undoing 2 bolts here on each side and 1 bolt right there on each side. And once you unclip the coolant lines, NAC lines, and whatnot, comes right off. It's as simple as 6 bolts. Guys, so I'm calling it a day. Got the whole actual like front end ripped right off. So not bad for going at it here and there, but I'm done for the day. I got some stuff I got to take care of, and we will get back at it. See you guys soon.